Hello again, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a card using these dies and the stamp set from Poppystamps. This is the Tumbled Heart Balloon Collage and the Whittle Elephant, and these are called Love and Friendship. So to get started, I have a card base. I believe this is a 5.5 by 6. Actually, it is a 5 by 6 and a half. That's what it is. It's a 5 by 6.5 card, and then I cut a mat to put on there in this light blue color, and then this will be the card front. So to start, I'm going to take the Tumbled Heart Balloon Collage and kind of figure out where I'm going to want it to be on the front of my card. And then I also have the Whittle Elephant. Get kind of a look of where I'm going to want that. And then make sure I still have room for the stamp somewhere. So I'm just going to use a little bit of a washi tape to hold it in place, and I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. So there you go. You can see how that comes out. It comes out with a cute little stitching around the outside of the balloon. And then I also went ahead and cut out the little elephant already in some gray cardstock. So next, using some permanent adhesive sheets from Scrapbook Adhesives, I'm going to get sort of an idea of what size this is. Okay, so I cut it down so it'll sort of fit behind the balloon. So I know where it's going to fit behind my card. Okay, so now I can see that's going to be going right behind the balloon. So I can take this top strip off. And then I can put adhesive around the back of this so I could adhere it to the front. And then I'm going to remove this backing off. And stick the front panel down onto the card. Next, I am going to take some micro beads. These are like a fuchsia color. And I'm just going to pour them on. And push them down into that adhesive really well. There you go. You can see how that looks with the beads on there. Okay, so now before adhering on my little elephant die, I am going to stamp on the sentiment and also some butterflies using the stamp set and some VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. Okay, I'm now going to color in the butterflies using a Derwent Academy watercolor. This is in the magenta color pencil. So I'm just going to go right towards the base, add a little bit of the pink. And then using the Nuvo, this is the Clair glitter gloss. Just going to blend that out to the tips of the butterfly wings. There you go. I don't know if you can see the glitter that the Nuvo marker did on there, but it does add some pretty little sheen to it. So to add my little elephant, I'm just going to run this through my Xyron Create a Sticker, just because this seemed to be the easiest way to do it. And then on the back of his ear, I did some 3D foam adhesives. Some of the glitter to his ear. So now I'm going to add a little bit of twine. I'm going to lift up his trunk again. Maybe. There we go. Just kind of wrap that around his trunk like so. And I'm just going to use a little tiny bit of adhesive underneath the thread. Get it to stay in place. Use a block to get it to dry a little bit. And I'm going to just attach a little bow. There we go, my card is completed. I did go ahead and add some of the glitter pen on the inside of the balloon and also onto the body of the elephant. You can see that on there. And then my card is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below and hit this like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.